Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the sleep mode settings on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the section called Sleep Mode. On this page you can change the auto sleep setting time both for when on the console screen in handheld mode or when connected to a TV or monitor in the dock. Below this, you can choose whether you want to allow the Switch 2 to sleep when playing media content. There are other similar settings to customize below. That's how to change the sleep mode settings on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video